Facebook family. This is Julie for Can Rescue Connections coming at you today. We got a 7-dog transport to the Spay and Neuter clinic. And here we go. I'll just show you them. I don't know all their names, so here we go. A Frenchie here. What are you doing, Mr. Frenchie? Hey, hello, buddy. Here he is. He's a Frenchie. And we got another Frenchie here. This one is blind. And a little ancient dog there. That looks like a Charlotte dog, not a Tails to the Wind dog. Yeah, and then there we go. We got some more over here. Around the horn here, we got a little Maltese, Bichon, whatever mix, and another one here. I think they all came from the same breeder, and then one more in there. And then another ancient dog. This is definitely a Charlotte dog. I'm surprised that the Tails to the Wind got this dog rather than a Charlotte dog. So there you are. So 7 dogs headed to the Spay and Neuter clinic. So Julie signing off now. You know what? Because dogs can drive. Take care. Bye-bye.